Hey everyone, if you are a Attio user and you're managing your leads in Attio CRM and you want it to be synced with Lemlist, so whenever you add a lead in Attio, you want that to be added in a specific campaign. So mails will be going out to that new lead. Here's the automation for you. You just have to add a trigger, watch entries of Attio, and here while adding this trigger, you can select the specific list as well. So basically when there will be a specific list, or you can add a filter here. If the list is Attio to Lemlist, this is an example. You can add any of the list you have in your Attio. So I just added the ID of that list. You can get the ID by just going into the Attio or from here as well. Lists. So if I run this, what is the issue? Save. Let me rerun. What is the issue? So here we have all the lists. Yeah, and we can get the IDs from here, list ID. But yeah, for now we don't want this, so I will delete this. And I added the filter as of a specific list, and I'm getting the person data when a new entry is added. And if the list is this, I will get the person's data, and I will get the company's data as well. If there is a company, it will add the lead in Lemlist with the company info. But if there is no company, I have filter here, like if it does not exist, the company value coming from here, it should add the data in Lemlist with the company info. So it is a simple automation. You can copy and use it for you. So keep watching, and like my videos to watch next videos. Thank you.